Welcome back in math class. So in last chapter, in last class we learned properties of addition of rational number, and in this class we are going to learn multiplication of rational number. How will multiply two rational number? Let's see. Multiplication of rational number. For any two rational number a upon b and c upon d, a upon b and c upon d, we have to multiply it. When we multiply it, so we will multiply its numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Let's see, a upon b into c upon d is equal to ac upon bd. Means a multiplied with c, so ac upon bd. Let's see the example. Suppose that we have to find the product of these two rational number, 2 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 7. So numerator of first rational number is 2 and numerator of second rational number is minus 5. So firstly we will multiply numerator with numerator. So 2 multiplied by minus 5. So we get minus 10 upon 3 7 is 21. Like that in second, minus 7 upon 8 into minus 3 upon 15. So minus 7 multiplied with minus 3. Minus multiplied with minus, it became plus. So 7 3 is 21 upon 15 8 is 120. Like that we multiply the product of two rational number. Now properties of multiplication of rational number. Properties of multiplication of rational number, like in last class we learned properties of addition of rational number. There we have to learn closure property, associative property, commutative property, existence of additive inverse and existence of additive identity. In last class we have to learn, and in this class we will learn closure property, commutative property, associative property, multiplicative inverse and multiplicative identity. So first, closure property. The product of two rational number is always a rational number. The product of two rational number is always a rational number. Let's see. Consider two rational number 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 6. 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 6. Then 1 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 6. So we get 1 4 is 4. 5 6 is 30. 1 upon 5 is a rational number. 4 upon 6 also a rational number. When we find its product, so we get 4 upon 30. 4 upon 30 is also a rational number. Now closure commutative property. In commutative property, two rational number can be multiplied in any order. Two rational number can be multiplied in any order. For example, for two rational number a upon b and c upon d, we can write a upon b is equal to a upon b into c upon d is equal to c upon d into a upon b. Let's see more with the help of example. 4 upon 5 into 6 upon 5. When we multiply 4 upon 5 into 6 upon 5, so its product we get 4 6 is 24 upon 5 is 25. Now we change its order. Firstly, we have to write the 6 upon 5 first, and then after 4 upon 5. We change its order. So we get 6 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. Now we will multiply it, so we get 24 upon 5. That's why we can say that a upon b into c upon d is equal to c upon d into a upon b. Therefore 4 upon 5 into 6 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. Means when we have to multiply two rational number, they can be multiplied in any order. Now associative law. In last class we learned associative law for addition, and in this class we are going to learn associative law for multiplication. There we learn while adding three rational number, they can be grouped in any order. But here, while multiplying three rational number, they can be grouped in any order. For three rational number a upon b, c upon d and a upon f, we can write a upon b into c upon d in first bracket, in first group. Then after multiplied by a upon f. Now we have to change its group. Here a upon b and c upon d first, then after we have to change its group, so we can write a upon b into in bracket c upon d into e upon f. Let's see more with the help of example. Consider three rational numbers minus 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7 and 1 upon 6. So we have to group it according to our convenience. Minus 2 upon 3 into 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 6. So first we have to multiply this bracket. So minus 2 upon 3 into 5 upon 7. Its product is minus 10 upon 21. Minus 2 multiplied by 5. 5 to the 10. That is minus 10 upon 3 7 the 21. And now multiplied by 1 upon 6. So we get minus 10 upon 126. Now we have to change its group. First we have to write 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 6 in a bracket. After that minus 2 into minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3 will product of 5 upon 7 into 1 upon 6 is 5 upon 42. 5 into 5 and 7 is 42. Now we multiply it and we get minus 10 upon 26. So with the help of this example, we see there we change the order. So we change the group of this rational number, but product is not changed. Product is equal minus 10 upon 26 and minus 10 upon 26. That's why a rational number is commutative under multiplication. Rational number is associative under multiplication. Now, existence of multiplicative identity. Existence of multiplicative identity. I have recalled that in last class we have to learn existence of additive identity. So additive identity of rational number is 0. Why? When we add 0 with any rational number, we get a rational number itself. So like that, for a rational number, 1 is a rational number such that multiplication of any rational number and 1 the rational number itself. When we multiply 1 with another rational number, we get that rational number itself. That is why 1 is called multiplicative identity for rational number. Thus, a upon b into 1 is equal to 1 into a upon b is equal to a upon b. It's a rational number. For example, 5 upon 3 is a rational number. And we multiply 5 upon 3 by 1, so we get 5 upon 3 itself. That is why 1 is called the multiplicative identity for rational number. Now, existence of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is also called reciprocal. This is called reciprocal. So, in last video, we learned additive inverse. So in additive inverse we seen the sum of the two rational number. If the sum of two rational number was 0, then that was called the additive inverse of each other. And here for every rational number a upon b, there exists a rational number b upon a, such that, for example, 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 1 is equal to 1. So for any rational number a upon b, there exists a rational number b upon a such that a upon b into b upon a is equal to 1. Thus, a upon b is called the multiplicative inverse of b upon a, and b upon a is called the multiplicative inverse of a upon b. In other words, we can say that a upon b is called the reciprocal of b upon a, and b upon a is called the reciprocal of a upon b. For example, reciprocal of 5 upon 7 is 7 upon 5. When we multiply it, so we get 5 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 5 is equal to 1. Like that, reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 is 3 upon minus 2. Because its product is also 1. Minus 3 upon 2 into 2 upon minus 3 is equal to 1. That is why minus 3 upon 2 is called reciprocal of 2 upon minus 3. Now, we have a question. In this question, given that the product of two rational number is minus 8, the product of two rational number is minus 8. If one of them is minus 12 upon 7, so find the other. First, understand the question. First, we have to understand the question. Question is the product of two rational number is minus 8 and one rational number is given, that is minus 12 upon 7. We have to find the other rational number. So first we will consider the other rational number is x. So let us consider that other rational number be x. Then product of this rational number x into minus 12 upon 7. X we have to consider and minus 12 upon 7 already given. So its product is given there minus 8. So x into minus 12 upon 7 is equal to minus 8. Now by transposition law we will transpose minus 12 upon 7 from left to right. So we get x is equal to minus 8, that is already in right side, and here minus 12 upon 7 is multiplied in left hand side. When you transpose it, so it's a sign could we change, that is divide. So now x is equal to minus 8 into, there should be into minus 8 into minus 12 upon 7, reciprocal of minus 12 upon 7 is 7 upon minus 12. When we change the sign, means division sign replaced by multiplication. So we have to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So here divided is minus 12 upon 7. So reciprocal of minus 12 upon 7 is 7 upon minus 12. So now we get x is equal to minus 8 into 7, that is minus 56. 8 samjha 56. And 1 multiplied by minus 12, so that is minus 12. Minus minus cancel, and 56 is divided by 4, and 12 is also divided by 4. So we get 14 upon 3, that is another number. That is the another number. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now this is the homework. In first question you have to find the product of the given rational number, and in second one you have to find the multiplicative inverse, that is reciprocal of the given rational number. Means reciprocal of minus 6 upon 7 is 7 upon minus 6, like that is B, C and D you can find. And in third one, given that the product of two rational number is minus 7, if one of them is minus 14 upon 3, so find the other. Like last question, you have to be solve third one. I hope it is clear.